So this was our Batman who ditched his Batmobile for something else. So let us unbox it and see what it is.
So this is a small cardboard box which we ordered from
This is a small cardboard box which we ordered from scalemodelcard.com. Okay, so it reached our house today, and we placed the order a couple of days ago. So let's open it. So by the looks of it, you must have already guessed what this box should have inside it. And by looking at what I am wearing and what is in the background, I'm sure some people might have already guessed what model should it be. Okay. So here we go. So yeah, just this plastic packing inside the cardboard box. So this is a Jawa 354. It's a Java red. So I'll give you a closer look. So this is how it looks. It's a small piece of kit. If at all you want to measure it by a scale, it would be around 8 centimeter. Okay, so I'm going to open this package now. So that was easy. So this bike is Jawa 354. Okay, so as you can see, this bike is a Jawa 354. It used to be a twin cylinder bike. You can see two plug caps. You can see the round crankcase, the engine covers, and a tank switch on the tank. This used to come with a ignition switch on the tank itself, and it moves. The wheels also turn around. The wheels turn. So let us have a look at the box again. So it has some cool pictures of certain vintage bikes. This looks like a BSA, I don't know. This looks like, I don't even know. This is a Java, I suppose. And this is a Java. I'm positive about it. Okay, let's not go there. So the most interesting thing which I found on this particular package was this particular line: small scale model for adult collectors, keep out of reach of children under 14. So this was it, guys. This was the unboxing of our Java, and it is a pretty good piece of kit, and I liked it. And this is supposed to be a gift for our beloved friend. He's turning what, 20, 23, 22. He's turning 22 this year, and out of excitement, we had to do this video. We decided to open it. I don't know how it will feel now, but then we'll have to give it to him. We'll wrap it, don't worry. This is it guys, signing off for now. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video.
So